everyone, Sawmill Charlie. Well, it's June the 28th, it's Saturday, it's sunny, it's hot, and it's really humid. And I'm standing here in front of the hive that I put in the 21st bee frames in from Michael out in Arkansas. And they're extra heavy duty, thick frames, really well built, and they were pre-waxed from his factory. And the hive off to my left was where I put in triple wax Acorn frames. We were going to test to see how the bees accept them or not. On this hive here, I had issues with it where I went queenless, and then I went ahead and put in one of my virgin queens, and now it's queen right. So I was going to go ahead and take off the honey supers with my hive lifter and get in there and give you everyone a look at what the bees have done with those frames. So let's go ahead and break this hive apart and check it out. All right, there's the honey boxes are off. Thanks to the hive lifter. We're going to go in here and check these 21st bee frames. And drop the queen excluder at the same time. All right, this is frame number 3. And we've got a little bit of wonky comb in the middle there, but we've got drawn out comb and open cells here, but every one of them is laid up with an egg. Same way on this side. I think I got a bad spot as far as the wonky comb there because of the queenless problem we had early on. Put that off to the side. Another nice frame. And the same thing, they have eggs in there. And more eggs in all these. It's all been relayed up. Here we go, a little bit more solid brood on both sides. And they've been drawing the wax out quite nicely. Here's one here, they didn't draw it out quite out to the edge. They seem to be using the pass-through holes in the center of the comb along out the edge. There's more brood. Everything's been laid up again. Another brood frame, a little bit of wonky in the middle, of course, like I said, from her being queenless. Here's another nice solid pattern for the most part. And she's got that relayed up in there. So at least the queen's doing a good job for me. I'm going to check the brood or the drone frame here that I put in. And they're drawing the wax out on that. Probably be putting maybe some fall sugar water in there. So from what I can see, the 10 frames that were given to me, they worked quite well. Like I say, there was a little bit of an issue because of queenlessness in the hive. I thought it'd probably do a little bit better job, but due to the queen problems, we still came out quite well. Go ahead and put this hive, button it back up. Bees are a little bit feisty today because of the humidity. Move the queen excluder a little bit. And we're back together. So, as far as I'm concerned, the 21st bee new frames that were given to me by Mike out there in Arkansas do a good job. I'll say the only downside slightly would be is the fact that because they're so heavily built, they do add a little bit of weight to the box as far as just physical weight and all that. But other than that, they do a good job. They're definitely solidly built, and they definitely do work as far as the bees liking them and drawing the wax out. Now we can go over here to the next hive. This is where the Acorn is. We can go ahead and open this hive up, check that hive out, see how they're doing. We got a queen issue in that hive also. So we'll see what the frames look like. All right, I'm here at the hive off to the left of the 21st bee frame hive. These are just regular Acorn triple wax frames that I put in there the same time I did with the other frames. No built out foundation or anything on them. So we're gonna go ahead and check this hive out. This hive does have a queen issue in it. Here recently just went queenless, I believe because it was a 2024 queen and she kind of fizzled out on me. So let's go ahead and take the honey boxes off with the hive lifter and get down into the brood chamber. Come on. A little bit wobbly there. Have to adjust it, keep the weight thrown back to the hive lifter. Like I say, all these frames here were foundation. And they've been drawing them out. This is fairly well drawn out here on this side. A little bit lighter wax, but still drawing out. Another brood frame here. Checking for some eggs, but I just put this queen in, I guess, a little over a week ago, which I didn't really want to get into the hive. I didn't want to disturb the situation. There's the queen cage. See if I can get it out of there with the hive tool. Yep, there it is. Anyway, there's the brood. As far as the wax, it's doing a good job on these wax frames here. And they're drawing them out quite well. And they're pretty much all the same. Like I say, the queen hasn't come back off her mating flight. I don't want to continue on anymore in this hive because of that. I'm going to go ahead and button this hive back up. And there we have it, all button backed up with the hive lifter. Didn't have to wait or lift anything here. We got actually about 3 honey supers, and the top box is a brood box, not with too much honey in the top. So, in comparison between the 21st frames, bee frames, 21stbee.com, and the regular Acorn triple wax, I say that the bees, as far as they're concerned, they utilize them both equally. Like I say, both hives had queen issues, but they still draw after, especially the one with the 21st bees. Once I got it queen right, they drawed everything out for me. There was some wonky comb in the middle there, but that was done. I observed that when it was queenless. So, but other than that, works good. Like I said in the last part, was that you'll notice that there's a physical weight difference between the Acorn and the 21st bee frames. The 21st bee are built more rugged, and they weigh just a little bit more in weight in themselves, where the Acorns are a little bit on the lighter side. Physically, weight and physical structure is on the light side. So I could recommend either one of them, whatever you would like to buy out there that suits your needs. Both frames are quite good. So until next time, please like, subscribe, click the notification bell, share my videos with your friends, and have fun with your bees.